Welcome to EDU World Space.
Here we have problem 23.78. Question A, we have write the name of the complex FeCO5. Alright, so using nomenclature rules, we need to consider the metal and the ligands in the compound. So identify the charge of the complex, which is 0, and we need to predict the oxidation state of the metal. And then we will write the oxidation state of the metal in Roman numbers. So the compound is a mononuclear carbonyl compound. And the center atom is iron, 5 carbonyl ligands. And we know that carbonyl ligands are neutral. And the entire complex has no charge. Therefore, the oxidation state of the iron here will be 0. So the name of this compound would be penta, means 5. Carbonyl is the ligand. Iron, parenthesis, has a charge is 0. That is the part A. Question B, what is the oxidation state of iron in the complex? So that is what we just found out. The oxidation state of iron is equal to 0. Alright, last one, part C. Suppose one of the CO ligand is replaced with a cyanide ligand. So we have a new complex here, FeCO4Cn minus. So how many geometric isomers would you predict for this complex? Alright, once again, we write the molecule here, FeCO4Cn. Alright, so this is the complex. And the coordination compound that contains same number and same type of atoms, but with different spatial arrangement are called the geometric isomers. Also, geometric isomers can be called as cis and trans isomers. So here is a representation of the ligands in pentacoordination complex. So the blue circle is the center metal, and the white circles are the ligands. So here is just a representation of ligands in pentacoordination complex. Alright, so these two positions are called the axial position. And these 3 positions, these 3 ligands position are called the 3 equatorial position. So in pentacoordination complex contains 2 positions named axial position and 3 equatorial position. So the newly formed complex FeCO4Cn, the possible geometry of the new formed complex, the cyanide molecule can be either at axial or at equatorial position. So one of the isomers, we can write it this way, Cn, FeCO, CO, CO, CO. Or we can write it this way, CO, Fe, CO, 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 with the cyanide at equatorial position. Alright, so these are the two possible isomers for the newly formed complex.